can't bring it up.
That's awesome, Fee. Hi, I'm Kim from Chicago Children's Museum, and today we're going to build a small water slide. So as you saw in the other clip, you can use a lot of big things to build a water slide. That's a lot of specific stuff. How about we think about building a water slide in a more general way? That's better. In Tinkering Lab, we like to think about what people may have around their own house and start from there. So I'm going to show you what I had in my house to build a water slide. You may have some of these things, or you may go back to the general list and start from there. So my water slide materials looked like this. Water, a place for mess. I also found it's great to have some towels to clean up that mess quickly. Water container, some tools. Pencil is great to poke a hole in your water container. Stuff to hold the water slide up. And stuff for my water slide. I want to mention that I chose the stuff for the last two water slide materials pretty carefully. I did not want to spend a lot of time building my water slide. I wanted to go straight to testing. I found that these blocks helped me build a water slide structure very quickly. And this stuff, modeling clay, was great to stick plastic things together, and it holds up with water. So here's my water slide in action. My son and I had a great time testing, observing, so that's looking closely and talking about what happened, and changing the water slide up. What materials did you use for your water slide? Tag us here and show us. Bye-bye. Kinda. Oh man. This is embrace the mess.
I can clean it up.
Oh. Okay, that's awesome.